Hey everybody, I was gifted this sofa bed from the brand and I'm excited to tell you all you need to know about it. The first thing that I noticed when I opened up the box is there were absolutely zero odors, which I love. It seems like so much furniture these days comes with strong odors because of the chemicals that they use on them. This did not have that and I love that for my family. Secondly, they used absolutely no flame retardant products on this couch, which again, I love that for my family. So already two positives immediately out of the box. But in addition, I love the corduroy look of it and it has a really soft microfiber fabric, super comfortable. The pads are nice and thick and they feel so good. Now, I opened this up and it's been sitting out for 24 hours. You do need to give it some time when you get it out of the box because it's been compressed so tightly. It will naturally fluff out and this is what it looks like after 24 hours. But you know what? I haven't even gotten to the best part yet. Let me show you. This is the perfect sofa bed because it's very configurable. All you have to do is just push up and pull down on the spot that you want to adjust. Here, I can lay down and just relax, or I can read. If I want to make it go down all the way, I can do that, giving me more space to lay down or more room for people to sit on and hang out. If I want to turn it into a bed, simply just push up on the back, put it all the way down, and then I can get some comfortable sleep and some Z's right here. Now, putting it back up is as simple as ever. Just push it back up into the location that you want it, and it will go right into place. Now, here's the close-up of the soft material. You can remove the pad, and it is zipper removable, so you can put it in the wash. And then there is great clearance underneath, making it easy for you to vacuum and clean. So honestly, if you're looking for a sofa bed of your own, one that's configurable, one that is spacious and super comfortable, look no further. I definitely recommend this one from the brand.